Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the 10th floor of the Residences La Colombe d'Or, and this is the amenity floor. So I'm gonna walk around and kind of show off what's here. There's quite a bit going on. I'm starting on the left. This is kind of a banquet area, a dining area, and you can use it anytime, of course, but I believe it's also rentable as well. It's a beautiful space. So you've got that over here. You've also got a gaming resident lounge area that's here. It's a very, very pretty space here. And by the way, there's always art here showing all over the place. Beautiful modern art. In this case, it's just simply gorgeous. So really, really pretty spaces all over, and just pretty things to do, pretty things to see. So beautiful modern art. Also, we walk over here. And we do see some very, very nice, more kind of resident lounge, areas over here. Very, very pretty. There's going to be a pool that's outside. We'll go see that in just a minute. So there's a pool here. There's a gym as well. We'll go see that in a minute as well. And just a lot of nice spaces. So any of these spaces, you can just plug in your computer and work from home anytime. So that's very, very nice. I love seeing that as well. So very pretty, huge amount of space here on the 10th floor. It's for all the amenities. So let's go explore first the pool, and then we're going to go explore the fitness center. If you have any questions anytime, of course, send me a text. Just use the number below. That's me, Grant Bynum.